Hello Sagittarius, welcome to my channel. This is your December 2020 love readings. Now these are general reading, not all messages might resonate Saggy, so take whatever resonates. This is based on your sun sign and moon sign, so can check the other video as well. In this today's reading we're going to do a little different. We'll just take up past, present and future 3-card spread with clarifications. So let's start, Saggy. Universe, spirits and guides, please guide Sagittarius December 2020 love feelings. 3-card spread. Please give me 3-card spread, past, present and future spread for the Sagittarius. 3-card spread for love, December 2020. So this is your past. This is 9 of Wands, present, Tower, and then you have the Hierophant. So you could be dealing with an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius or Sagittarius. This is your fire sign. This is your energy. This is an energy of an ex, somebody who was part of your life. It's already into past energy. So in the past, you are deeply hurt, you are wounded, you are feeling left out because somebody is not speaking to you, somebody is giving you a cold treatment, somebody has left you in the dark, and a repetitive cycle is happening, off and on. Always this specific person of yours is on and off and on, they are emotionally unavailable, that's what I get here, cold, detached. And this has been happening for quite some time. With this energy, and it is a repetitive cycle that you might be going through here, a specific pattern, your specific person, with you could be having this, off and on kind of cold, detached kind of, because it seems that you're deeply wounded here. Now with the Tower, some of you, might, your relationship might just come in the present. You are on a breakup, or breakup has happened, or it's gonna happen, within this few days of your present. Energies can extend 10 days, plus and minuses. So a breakup, a Tower movement is there here. So it's either coming from their side or your side. We'll get to know in the clarification here. So coming, crumbling down of a relationship here, that's what I get. Then we get the Hierophant here. Hierophant is a card of commitment, it's a card of marriage, it's a card of blessings from the divine here. It's a card of strong relationship, here. So let's clarify and find out what it is. So Sagittarius, December 2020. Love readings. Why is the 9 of Wands here in the past energies? Why is the 9 of Wands in the past energies? Why is the 9 of Wands in the past energies here? So let's see. Queen of Cups with the Fool. So basically you could be dealing with a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, and there is a Fool card here. So your person is in the past, why you have been wounded, because your person with the Fool card is like immature, childish, not up to, not emotionally available to you here. They were off and on, and that's what I was telling you here, that it was a repetitive cycle. It's like that this person with this Fool card, you will say they immature, childish, or sometimes stupid also. That could be the, do not get me wrong, but this is what it is. So that has caused you a lot of hurt, pain in the past, or because of their behavior, not consistent behavior, do not know how to show expressions or emotions here. So multiple times you have been hurt here with a repetitive cycle of off and on, to and fro, start and stop kind of situation. Now let's clarify the Tower card. The Tower here. Sagittarius, December 2020 readings in the present. Please clarify the Tower here. Please clarify the Tower here. inside this December 2020 present situation in the love readings. Okay, let's see. So it's 5 of Pentacles with the 7 of Pentacles. So somebody decided to, you know, break away or leave this relationship because this was a never ending kind of situation. 5 of Pentacles, hurt, cold, you know, this repetitive bit, and you were wondering that, you know, either you or they, whoever was cold and detached, I mean, it's they, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. So they now, you know, you think that whether it's really, you know, worth, you know, putting the time and effort and feeling sad and left out all the time here. So you might decide to just move away from this relationship, you know, move away from this specific person of yours here. You don't want to be hurt anymore. You don't want to be in that painful energy anymore. And so you want to move away from this relationship, or, you know, you are trying to move away, at least here. That's what I can see in this thing. You might either block them, you know, or they, it could be sometimes energies could be vice versa. They could have blocked you, but not finding hope in this relationship anymore. That's what I get here. It doesn't have any hopes. It doesn't have any dreams now. That's what I get. And there's a lot of questions going in your mind regarding the future of this relationship. You don't, that's what I said, you are feeling hopeless here in this, in your present energies. Now let's see what's there in the past. Oh, sorry, in the future. Please clarify the Hierophant card here. Please clarify the Hierophant card inside this December 2020 love reading in the future energies, spirits and guides. Please clarify the Hierophant card inside these futures. So let's see here. 4 of Pentacles with the Strength. So it seems that, you know, for with this Hierophant, 4 of Pentacles and Strength, for some of you it seems things could get better, you know. There could be a tower moment, you decide to move on and you could get a communication from, you know, the person, and things could work out, or you could be thinking of working out, or they could just come to the rescue of working out this relationship, because there is a Hierophant card here. For others in the future, it's still stuck with the Strength and the 4 of Pentacles here. It's a stuck situation, you know, the same energies, you know. For some, definitely with this, it is, you know, it's a very positive card. So they will be open to emotions, you know, might be you, you know, coming together of both of you here. But for some of you, it could be like 4 of Pentacles with the Strength. It could be like still being stuck to this energies here, even after the Tower moment. Even if you have blocked them, even if you have moved away from them, still you are stuck in this energy. You have not totally moved away from the feelings, you know, from the emotions that you have with this person. It could be a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or a Leo that you're dealing with, or any other sign. So let's find out a likely outcome. So what could be a likely outcome for Sagittarius relationship in December 2020? What could be a likely outcome for Sagittarius in December 2020? Page of Pentacles, great, with the Devil, okay, the Emperor and the Star. So I feel that, you know, if you know, these things have come, for some of you there could be an apology, or you know, trying to say sorry, or just at least trying to show in their words that they're sorry about something here. You know, because they are highly attracted to you, they are obsessed with you. That's what I feel here. They cannot get out of your energies, so they, you know, they are obsessed with you. They are very much in love with you. I mean, it's the attraction or the intimacy level that you and your person had was like too intense. And I see some of you getting a communication or an apology from your person here, and things coming back together, you know, for some of you. And some of you, as I told, with the Emperor, you know, you could be dealing with an Aries, the Star. You're still hoping for things to work out here. That's what I get. Inside you're still working, you know, thinking with the or at least you know, this is one side. The other thing that I get here is that you will be busy with your work, money, career, and you will be healing. If you have moved on from this relationship, you will be healing. The Star card is also a card of healing. You will be taking control of your life back. You know, you will no more give into this repetitive cycle of, you know, being left out, and you will be healing. That's what I get here from these energies. So this is it, Sagis. If you do like my readings, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share. Thank you so much and stay blessed.